So this is how you make up a Google Hangout. Start in a new Google tab. Remember that you need to be logged into Chrome so that when you open a new Google tab, you'll see your profile picture up here and here. If you don't have a profile picture uploaded, it'll just be your initials. So click on the 9 dots and then go to Calendar. And when you're in Calendar, sorry, let me pick a daily view. You can choose the time that you want to book your appointment, add a name, so this can be class hangout, and then you're going to go to add rooms, location, or conferencing, and you're going to add conferencing. And what that does is that automatically turns this into a Google Hangouts for you. Now, one of the things that I have not been able to figure out is how to properly add guests from this place without having to individually invite every student. So what I have figured out, though, is that if you just save that and then go back into it and edit it, see over here where it says more actions, and there could be a way to do this, and if you figure it out, let me know. Now, see, this is all of my Google Classrooms, even the archived ones, that I can copy it to. So if you go and choose one of your classes that you wish to copy this to, as soon as you click on that, see how it has added it down here. And when this has been added down here, then you just hit save. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to add all of my students at this point. Then make sure you've got your be careful of your guest permissions, right? Because you don't really want your guests to be able to invite other guests, and you don't want them to be able to modify the event. But you will allow them to see the guest list if they're interested, because that just shows them that they're invited with the rest of their class. And then you hit save, and then it shows up here on that date at that time. You can set it to be a recurring. So anytime you want to go back and change, just hit the pencil. You can set it to be a repeating thing. You can have, because we're supposed to now have office hours. So you can set your office hours that it'll happen weekly on Tuesday at this time to this time. That can be your choice, or not at all. You don't have to repeat it. But that is just how you set up your Google Hangout. Now, when you add your students that way, this is the one that I've got set up for this morning with my grade 11s. So if you set it up this way, all it does is show up in their calendar. It doesn't send them a notification or anything like that. But it does show up in their calendar, so you can instruct them. They have to be, same thing, they have to be logged into Google Chrome. They have to access their calendar this way. And it's the being logged into Google Chrome that a lot of them are not doing, or they're logged in under a personal email, not their school email. So you have to check those things out with them. But the other thing I believe is, if you're worried about that, right, you can go to your join the meet and then just take and get that. Ooh, there I am. And email them all this link. Sorry. Let me get out of that. We don't need to see me. And so that is how you make a Google Hangout for your class.